Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Clozemaster's game modes, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Clozemaster's game modes, launch the Clozemaster app or navigate to the website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Select the Game Modes option from the menu list. You will see a variety of game modes available for selection. Each mode offers a unique way to practice your language skills. Click on the game mode you wish to configure. Once selected, you will find specific settings related to that mode. Adjust the settings according to your learning preferences. Common options include difficulty level and the number of closes per question. Consider the languages you want to practice in addition to your native language. Ensure that you select your target language for the activity. After adjusting the settings, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your configurations. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the settings have been saved. To start playing, return to the main dashboard. Select the newly configured game mode. Begin your practice session and enjoy improving your language skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.